Hello friends, this is Ashish, register number you are 15CS038. Now I'm going to explain you about the experiments in object-oriented C++ programming. Uh, Here's the question that the question states that an electricity board charges the following rates to domestic users to discourage consumption of energy. For the first 100 units 60 paise per unit, for next 200 unit 80 paise per unit, beyond 300 units 90 paise per unit. All users are charged a minimum of rupees 50 rupees. If the total amount is more than rupees 300, then an additional surcharge of 15% is added. Write a program. Now we have to write a program to get the names of the user and the number of units consumed by the user and display the electricity bill for the users. Now I'm going to show you the program which states like that. This includes the header files that, as you can see, that hash include IO stream using namespace std int main. I use the header files, and I have declared as an int in unit sum1, sum2, sum3, and I have taken the float data type for the declaring total now and character, and I have using different type of I have used different type of loops such as do while loops, if else loop, and very much. As you can see, then the first cout statement, they have written that, as I have specified, that the enter the username, then then in scene as the character value, and again in cout statement the unit, I have entered the unit. Now I have used the if statement, and I have declared that the unit which are having less than equal to 100 units, it should be calculated as sum is equal to unit into 60, means 60 paise unit bill into 60 paise. Now I have given the cout as the bill in rupees, as I have converted in this sum into the rupees by dividing by 100 and plus adding the 50 rupees that as stated in the question, 50 rupees is maximum charge. Now followed by this if else if statement, in this unit should be greater than 100, and I am taking the unit should be less than equal to 300. Now in first statement I declared that the unit is equal to unit minus 100, then sum 2 is equal to unit into 80 paise, then sum 2 is equal to unit sum 2 plus 6000 rupees. 6000 came by 60 into 100, then cout as bill in rupees, then I have converted this sum 2 into the rupees, and as you can see, as same as the sum 1 that added plus 50, followed by else if condition, and I have done for the unit which has more than 300. Same, I have used the sum unit is equal to unit minus 300, sum 3 is equal to unit into 90 paise, sum 3 is equal to sum 3 plus 22,000, then total is equal to sum 3 upon 100 plus 50, and total should be and it in the question, as we can see that question, it is in given that if the total amount is more than 300, then an additional surcharge of 15% is added. So if the total is more than 300, I use the if condition, the total is more than 300, then total is equal to 15% of total plus total. So cout will be in rupees. Now I have used the else statement for the cout bill in rupees, the total, and if I want to enter the more users, then I will give the choice for y, for yes, for y, and for no. I'm going to build and run the program. As you can see that it is asking the username. Now I'm going to name Ashish. It is asking now unit, then I'll give 250 units, and the bill is rupees 230. Now it is asking more users. Yes, I want more users. I'm going the name as Abhishek and enter the unit as 450 unit, then it bill is 465.75. Now I want, it is again asking we want more users. No, I don't want more users. Then the output is verified. Now I'm going to explain you about the second experiment. Second experiment states that To create an equivalent of a four-function calculator, the program should ask the user to enter a number, an operator, and another number. It should then carry out a specified arithmetic operation, adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing the two numbers. Use a switch statement to select the operation, finally display the result. When it finishes the calculation, the program should ask whether the user want to do another calculation. The response can be Y or N. Now I'm going to show you the program, how the calculator works. So same as I use the header file, hash include iostream using namespace std int main. I have declared two values a and b, character and float result. For result I have declared the float data type. In cout I have entered first the enter the two numbers, then followed by cin the two variables that I have declared a and b. Cout again, what do you want? It will be asking that what do you want. Then I want if I have to press 1 for add, 2 for subtract, 3 for division, and 4 for multiplication. Now here I have uses the switch loop. Switch is used to for the different cases. As you can see that case 1 states for the addition, result is equal to a plus b, it is for addition, followed by case 2 a minus b for subtraction, a by b for division, and a into b for multiplication. And I have given the default statement and which will break the condition, means the for exiting the loop. Now cout, do you want to continue? If I want to continue, then I'll press Y, and if I don't want to continue, I'll press N. And now I'll show you the program. Now I'm going to build and run the program. Now I have entered the two numbers. I have entered 4 and 2. What do you want to continue? I will continue add. Then answer is 6. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Again I will enter 4 and 2. What do you want to continue? Let's subtract, then press 2. You will get the answer. Again, yes, I want to continue. Enter the two number 4, 2. Do you want to, what do you want? I want division. Division, as you get, I will get the answer 2. Again, I want to continue 4, 2. What do you want? At last, I want multiplication. This is for multiplication, as you get the answer 8. Now it will again ask, do you want to continue? No, I don't want to continue. Then I will press N and it will come out the output. Thank you.